Okay, we're up by the border again, so see all these tall buildings everywhere. They're kind of amazing to look at. Looks like there's more construction right here too, so something's being built here. There we go.
Chiquinha, chiquinha.
Go check out the road.
Chiquinha.
Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, we're back at the border again. We're back at Sushi Matai Light Rail Sushi Express, and then we have all these tall buildings. We're going to explore that in a bit, but we're going to enjoy this first. And we're going to have a come down in a minute. You order up here, and then you can just get whatever you want, and then you can confirm. But I already ordered, so I'm just waiting now. Okay, the conveyor is moving. Here comes the food. So I have this one, so we take this, we put it here. Go. 1, 2, put it like that. And then 3. So I have all these. Then I have some other sushi rolls coming too. And then we just click on this, and it just goes back. Okay, let's enjoy some of this. We got that too. So got a nice spread of, I already ate one already. Miso soup, green tea, comes in there, soy sauce, chopsticks. Okay, so we're gonna check out some of these tall buildings, and there's some of them right there. So so I came through this neighborhood not too long ago, and there was I have one that's almost at nighttime, but now we can see a little bit of it at daytime. So there's all kinds of cool stuff everywhere. Let me just take a look here. All these tall buildings too, so you can get a sense for all these kind of caged apartments that you couldn't really see at nighttime very well. And this one is pretty cool because it's some paint on it. There's like blue and yellow. So anyways, kind of just following up a little bit, and you can see what this looks like a little bit in the daytime. Okay, so we're up by the border again, and basically talked to some people with suitcases, and some of them live in Macau, so I don't know, maybe some of my other ideas that a lot of people were kind of coming and going out of the border might not be true. So maybe they're one of them had a big suitcase, and they come up to the border and they get a bunch of stuff and they bring it back to their shop in Macau. They look like they were mainlanders, but they might not be. So but I think maybe people are going back and forth, and maybe they bring their goods, and then somebody that can go back and forth maybe is, and then the other people just kind of wait here, and they just pick up stuff in their suitcases, and it just looks like they're traveling. So, and my friend here, he speaks Chinese. He's right over there. Let's see what he says.
See these people right over there?
Yep.
The lady with the mask on
Yep.
the left?
Yep.
And there was somebody sitting right there.
Uh-huh.
They're selling cigarettes illegally. That's what she's doing. I think they might be cigarettes that came from China or something. I'm not exactly sure, but that's what they're doing. They're selling cigarettes, black market, I guess. I'm not exactly sure where they came from, but that's what they're doing.
So maybe this whole area, there's so much activity of just people selling products that from people that can go back and forth. So
I think so. I think maybe, like, because I saw they were like Chinese brand cigarettes, so maybe stuff they can't buy here, or if they are, that they're taxed heavily, so they're probably smuggled over here or bought at duty free, and these people will pay, you know, an extra. Maybe they'll make a few bucks on each pack or something, you know.
yeah.
So I just kind of saw them with a little bag and kind of covertly selling cigarettes, so that was kind of interesting.
Yeah, pretty interesting. So
some stuff going on here that, like, we don't you just have to really watch.
Chiquinha, chiquinha.